Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade, and this one is just like the regular, I don't know if you guys can see, this is just, I used a lot of it, I love this product, but this one is just the black, this is like the number it comes in, and this is just what the bottom looks like. Okay. And I'll just show you guys what the cap is. I've had this for a while, so it's a little scratched off. So, getting into this product, this is like one of my favorite brow pomades. I know I hear a lot of people say they like different ones and like other ones work better, but if you really are like on a budget and you're looking for a really good brow pomade, I really suggest this one. Just going into it, so obviously as you guys can see, I have used a lot of it, but I just want to show you guys. So it really like spreads out really nicely on my finger, as you guys can see, and I do use like a dip brow brush for it. So I don't know, I've seen people use different things to apply this product. I personally use like a very tiny, like it has like a slanted, kind of like slanted bristles. It's very tiny, like the brush is like this small, and I literally just go in with that and I just dip and I will outline my eyebrows. You don't need too much. I've had this for 7 months now, going on 8 in like a couple weeks, and I still have a lot left. I literally would just take it and I'll like put a little bit on the side, and then yeah. This product also, something that's very good is it doesn't dry out. So I had this problem with another brow pomade that I bought that I still honestly have because it doesn't work as well as this one, and I just honestly stopped using it as soon as I discovered this one, but it dried out. So I went to use it one day and literally nothing was like going on the brush. The stuff, the makeup that was getting applied to my eyebrows, it was literally like the leftover makeup from the, like, that was already on the brush because I hadn't cleaned my brushes yet. And this one does not get dried out. Like I just showed you guys, it's on my finger right now. Like it hasn't got dried out. Something that I do with this though, just because you don't need too much, is I'll take my dip brow brush and I'll just dip it in, and then like I'll just put it, smooth it on the edges, hence like why I have all this makeup on the cap. And so like I'll just like use less or use more when I'm like putting it in the cap, and then I'll just like go back in the cap and pretend like I just took a little bit out the brow of the actual container, and then like I'll put it in here. Super flip. But actually this cap is plastic, so I just want to give you guys a good feel of how this product is, like the packaging. So this is a plastic cap, and then this is glass. So another funny story about this is it's very small, so you can travel with it, but I was using this and I was singing in my bathroom and I wasn't paying attention, and I accidentally dropped this on my toe. It hurt so bad. This is like, not glass, but I would say like a hard plastic, almost like a glass feel to it. And it like, it's very like, not heavy just because it's like tiny, but it's dense because there is a lot of product that comes in here. So for a brow dip, and just everybody's probably like, no, it's so tiny. Like the amount of like pomade you put on your eyebrows is not as much as other places you would apply makeup, and this is like tiny. Like it might look tiny, but like it has a lot in it. When I first got it, I was like, oh, I'm going through this super quick. No guys, like I still have this much left, and I'm sorry if it looks really nasty, but like I said, I use this religiously. And I just want to go back to the back of it. So it says close cap tightly, and this was actually made in Taiwan, which is pretty cool. It was distributed by Nyx in Los Angeles. That's pretty cool. And it tells you the net weight on here. So 0.18 ounces. which can, if you guys are like looking to see how much is in this, that's about how much is in there. Something else that is really cool about this product that I really like is, okay, during the summer, my eyebrows will sweat off consistently. I'm like in a hot dance studio for 3 hours each day in the summer, and you know, like, it's dance practice, like you're not trying to really look cute for anything, but like when it's dance performances and your eyebrows are sweating off every 10 minutes that you have to do a performance, I reapply this. And usually it works really well though. Like when I'm sweating and stuff, the only time it'll really come off is if I accidentally wipe it and I'm like, man, my whole eyebrow just got wiped off. Which is like, okay, I know I'm not the only girl that struggles with that. Like, yeah, I accidentally just wiped off my eyebrow or part of it. And so I'll just go to the bathroom. I carry this in my purse sometimes when I know I'm gonna need it. And I travel with this and I just reapply. And even though sometimes, like, you know, like it is difficult, especially if you're just starting off, like using pomade for your eyebrows, or you know, you've been filling it in with a pencil, this could be a very hard switch for you. But I'm telling you girls, this is like, yes. And guys who do makeup, because I know some fabulous guys who do makeup, I love this product. I would suggest it to anybody who asks me, oh, are any good brow pomades? Yes. The Nyx Tame Frame. This is one of the best ones that I've ever invested in.